Let's make some festive macarons for the 4th of July using the Sugar Art products. Here I'm going to be using Master Elite White from the Sugar Art to make sure my macarons are nice and bright and white. I like to add in my white colorant right in the beginning when my egg whites are still very liquid to activate the color. Once you've added in your dries, then just macaronage to that flowing consistency as you see here and pipe your desired shapes. Today I was inspired by all of the lunchbox cakes, so we're going to make a macaron cake that looks just like one, and we're also going to be making some regular circular macs that have flags painted on them. In order to paint and decorate our shells, we're going to use the Sugar Art color solution. Just paint that right on to our macaron, and then we're going to be using Blue La La, this beautiful shimmery sterling pearl from the Sugar Art, and just dry brush it over where we did our color solution. This makes the most beautiful full coverage iridescent look I've ever seen on a macaron. Now we're going to take that same Master Elite White that we used for the macaron shells to paint while mixing it with the color solution to make our stars. You can also use Elite colors, mixing with the color solution to paint on as well. And look at how vibrant this red is to make the stripes. I use this fan-shaped brush from the Sugar Art, and boom, it's just so beautiful. You can use that color solution for almost anything. You gotta add some diamond dust for extra sparkle and dimension, and voila. In order to make our lunchbox cake inspired macaron cake, I'm using Master Elite Sapphire Blue to color my buttercream. Just mix that in with a liquid. I like to add cream, which makes the buttercream taste even more delicious, and just mix that in thoroughly until you have a nice solid blue color. Look at how vibrant that is, and you'll notice that the colors deepen even as they sit. You could also activate the color by lemon juice or any other liquid or extract. It doesn't have to be cream. So now I'm building our lunchbox macaron cake, and we have our strawberry buttercream and our vanilla buttercream in the center, and I put some cake crumbles in for a delicious bite. I'm just gonna keep layering this macaron cake. And then we get to the fun part where we get to decorate the top. Just like a lunchbox cake, we are going to make this in a little American flag for 4th of July. And we've got that beautiful sapphire blue, and then we're alternating red and white stripes to finish off our flag. I was so bummed. No, I did not get 13 stripes down this, but we did our best. Can't forget our stars, and I even individually filled each macaron with a tri-colored buttercream, which is super festive and fun. And now we're ready for our 4th of July celebrations, thanks to the Sugar Art products.